Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your first investment account in 2026, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open your account, fund it, and make your very first investment. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is decide what type of investment account you want. If you simply want to buy stocks, ETFs, or other investments with flexibility, you'll need a standard brokerage account. If you're investing for retirement and want tax advantages, you might consider a retirement account instead. For most beginners, a basic brokerage account is the easiest and most flexible way to start. Next, you need to choose a broker. A broker is the platform that allows you to buy and sell investments. Some beginner-friendly options include Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, and Interactive Brokers. When choosing a broker, look at three important things: trading fees, minimum deposit requirements, and how easy the platform is to use. Many brokers now offer commission-free trading, which is great for beginners. Once you've chosen your broker, it's time to open your account. You'll need a few basic details ready: a valid ID, your social security number or national identification number, depending on your country, your bank account information, and an email address. The application process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Go to the broker's website or download their app and click on Sign Up. Fill in your personal information carefully, create a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. After submitting your application, some brokers approve accounts instantly, while others may take 1 or 2 business days for verification. After your account is approved, the next step is funding it. You'll link your bank account and transfer money into your brokerage account. If you're just starting out, you don't need a large amount of money. Even $50 or $100 is enough to begin. The goal at this stage is to learn and build consistency, not to get rich overnight. Now comes the exciting part: making your very first investment. Beginners often start with ETFs or index funds because they are diversified and generally lower risk compared to individual stocks. Simply search for the ETF or stock inside your brokerage app, enter the amount you want to invest, and click Buy. If the stock price is high, you can use fractional shares, which allow you to invest smaller amounts. After you've made your first investment, focus on consistency. Consider setting up automatic investments weekly or monthly. This strategy helps you stay disciplined and take advantage of long-term compounding growth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Markets go up and down, but long-term consistency is what builds wealth. So today, you learned how to choose the right account, select a broker, open your account, fund it, and make your very first investment. If you follow these steps, you're officially on your way to building long-term wealth. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly investing guides.